So today new topic your in syllabus medicinal and aromatic crops, especially mentha, lemongrass, citronella. So we have discussed all these medicinal and aromatic crops. As you know about medicines, medicinal crops, very important present time in corona period. Our medicinal crop play very important role to increase immunity power and resistant power in human being. So medicinal, according to your syllabus, only three important medicinal and aromatic crops in syllabus, but we have to discuss some important medicinal crop. So production of medicinal and cultivation of medicinal and aromatic crops. Medicinal plant and their importance. As you know about 15 agroclimatic zones of our India and 47,000 different plant species and 15,000 medicinal plants. And Indian systems, medicines have identified 1,500 medicinal plant, out of which total 15,000 medicinal plant. And value of medicinal plant around $5.5 billion. So international market and export system also well developed medicinal plants. So estimated value of market, international market of these herbal product around 62 billion and will be grow 5 trillion in 2050. According to WHO, 80% population of developing countries relies on traditional medicine. As you know, our villages also go for the first primary treatment and home treatment, home therapy. So medicine are used in home therapy like ginger for khasi, cough. So mostly these primary healthcare use these medicinal plants, and medicinal plant also traditionally occupied important position in social as well as spiritual and medicinal stadium of rural and tribal area. So demand is more of these medicinal crops, and along with medicines, these medicinal plant also used in food as well as cosmetic product and spices. This is the photograph of Hibiscus sebderifera. We also know so many plants including weeds. That weed also used as a medicine. Hibiscus also one of weed plant, and it also used in medicine. So importance behind the importance, cultivation of these medicinal and aromatic plants preferred because of demand of medicinal and aromatic plant all over the world today, present time in corona call also. These plants have wider adaptability and adverse climatic condition because these plant like as a weed plant. Weed also have so many persistence power, adaptability power. So and some plant intermixed mixed cropping, and most of species uh, cannot browsed and grazed by animals, and crops are not prone by attack of disease and insect pest. So profit more as compared to other field crops. So World Trade Organization has put strong restrictions on the wild collection. So most cultivated crops should include in medicinal and aromatic plants. And farm also produce the material of these plants are mandatory for the processing industries, and international buyer will strict on good agriculture practice gap and good manufacturing practices. So cultivation of medicinal and aromatic plants are important present time because these demands and these um, preference of all sectors. So cultivation is important. These are the important major medicinal and aromatic crops in our country. Psyllium platango ovata, isabgol, opium poppy, Papaver somniferum, Senna, Cassia Senna, Ashwagandha, Shafed Muesli, Periwinkle, Khai Katari, Sarpagandha, IPC. So these are so many aromatic plants, out of which these major medicinal and aromatic plant, and producing major producing state along with these given in table. So Isabgol, Rajasthan and Gujarat is major producing state, and opium poppy is it is the licensed crop. Only license is required for grow opium. And Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan, only three states should grow these this Papaver somniferum. Uh, so out of which in Rajasthan only 7 districts: Bara, Kota, Jalawad, Pratapgarh, and Bhilwara, Udaipur. These districts allow for this opium poppy cultivation. And Sena, Cassia Sena, this also in producing state Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Sincona, Darjeeling, and Tamil Nadu, Ashwagandha, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP, Safed Muesli, MP, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and Periwinkle, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Khai Katari, Maharashtra, Sarpagandha, Madhya Pradesh, IPC, Darjeeling, West Bengal. So, what is the planning for the popularizing these cultivation of medicinal and aromatic plant? First of all, conserve all the species of medicinal and aromatic plant. Then after, develop agrotechnique, agronomic practices, package of practices, and then after, genetic improvement of these medicinal and aromatic plant for improve productivity and improve propagation, because most of medicinal and aromatic plant grow by propagation, by vegetative propagation. So improve these propagation material by biotechnology, and identify disease and pest and their management, develop suitable and economically viable and socially acceptable model for mechanical planting and harvesting, and market information, develop storage facility, market information, and integrating the medicinal and aromatic into traditional farming systems, because farmers are not adopt these medicinal and aromatic plants for general cultivation, commercial cultivation. They only prefer the cereals, pulses, oilseed, these crops only. So we should be aware of our farmers for medicinal and aromatic plants, and it require improved input facility and service facility and marketing, post harvest technology, storage, etc., and cropping system. Also develop new cropping systems which should be include these medicinal and aromatic plants. So this is the strategy and planning for popularize the cultivation of medicinal and aromatic plant. This in arid zone and semi-arid zone, the cropping system in agronomic cropping system: Mulathi, Sena, Ashwagandha, Guarpata, Isabgol, Sativa, and Osimum, Kalmeg, Chandrasur. These are the monocrop. And cropping system in monocrop, then after the growing of Sena, we can grow mustard, wheat, barley. After Kalmeg, we can grow mustard, wheat, and barley, and Kalmeg seed production. Then after Chandrasur and Osimum, then Ashwagandha, then Osimum. The two crops can be grown marshy land, दलदल जमीन पे, Acrus and Calmes batch crop, and Bacopa monieri, Brahmi. This is also known as Brahmi. And some arid to semi-arid, these crops also used as a medicinal and aromatics. Enola, Amla. So many times you have heard about Amla, and also studied in your course in horticulture course. Beel, Lasoda, Mahanim, Shrub, Jatropha, Ratanjot, Jal, Pilu, Anar, Phalsa, Tint, Ker, Keronda, Gwarpatha, Mehendi, Sagar Gotha, Google, Jojoba. Herb in herb, Isabgol, Ashwagandha, Sena, Kalmeg, and Kangani, Gokhru. As you know, Gokhru is major weed, puncture vine. It is a herb, as a medicinal crop. Mulathi, Satavar, Makhan, Makshkandhana, Gudmahar, Babichi, and Kashni, Chandasur, and Tumba. Some of the plant heard about in weeds: Kashni, Tumba, Babichi, Satavar, Gokhru. These are weeds, but it include in medicine. So can be grow in medicinal crop. Some in irrigated condition: Jamun, Harar, and Barheda, Anola, Amaltas, Arjun, Sukchen, and in shrub, Malkhangini and Bansa, Rose, and herbs in Saped Musli, Bech, Sarpganda, Kavanch, Kyokand, and Periwinkle, Haldi, aromatic grasses, Citronella, Mentha, Brahmi. These are irrigated plants. So can be grow in irrigated land, irrigated area, and high rainfall areas. You know all the medicines and aromatic plants. Most of plants are grow in hilly areas in Himalaya area. So according to altitude, some cultivated species classify in river valley area up to 4,000 feet above mean sea level. Can be grow Brahmi, Timur, Kachnar, Amla, Tulsi, Sarpganda, Kalmek, Shatavar, Bunch, Rose, Geranium, Rose, Chamomile, Rosemary, Tegetus minuta. And in lower Himalaya, around altitude 4,000 to 9,000 feet above mean sea level, we can grow Satavar, Daru Haldi, Banpasa, Manjista, Tagar, Bach, and Kutki, Valerina, and Rose, Geranium, Rose, and Kesar. And in high altitude, higher Himalaya region, around 9,000 to 14,000 feet above mean sea level, can we grow Kut, Atish, Salam Punja, and Salam Mishri, or Ratnajot, Dolu, and Kutki. So according to this altitude level, we can grow these cultivated species. These are the photograph of some medicinal crops. Valerina jatamansi and Tagetes minuta in hilly areas. Berry formation of Podophyllum Hegendrum royal, like these berry produce, and this berry produce some alkaloids, or which alkaloid used as a medicine. Trichoriza kudha, this is also medicinal crop. The possible cropping system in irrigated condition, the Osimum species, then Kalmeg mustard wheat, then Osimum Kalmeg, and then potato, and Osimum Basim oblique potato, can be potato and basim, and Osimum vegetables, then and Osimum, then potato, then mint, pudina, and rice, wheat, mint, and sugar cane, then mint, rice, potato, mint, kalmeg, wheat, then Osimum, and muskbala, then wheat, then Osimum, saped musli, then mentha. Mentha is species same, also known as mint, pudina, and some crops can be intercrop with field crops, lemongrass, tulsi, as a lemongrass kalmeg, lemongrass udad, then lemongrass moonbeam, and palmaroja tulsi, and palmaroja plus our kalmeg, and palmaroja and udad, and palmaroja plus moonbeam, and vetiver and tulsi. These are grasses, can be cultivated as a intercrop with these crops. Vetiver tulsi, vetiver plus kalmeg, pigeon pea plus tulsi, pigeon pea plus kalmeg, maize plus tulsi, maize plus kalmeg, vetiver plus udad, vetiver plus moong. This is a photograph of medicinal crops. wild Widely grown in Himalaya region. This is a contour cultivation of medicinal crop. In greenhouse cultivation, first of medicinal crop important, mentha, arvensis, mint, so podina. This is an important medicinal and aromatic both. So planting time of this mentha arvensis in second week of January to first week of February, and seed rate of this mentha arvensis around 400 kg per hectare. This roots used as a propagating material and seed material. So 400 kg per hectare, and spacing around 45 by 15 centimeter, and some of important varieties, Sim, Kranti, Sim, Surya, and Kosi. The important institute of these medicinal crop and the aromatic plants are first ICR Institute, Directorate of Medicinal and Aromatic Plant Research, situated at Anand, Gujarat. And another one institute of CSIR, Central Institute for Medicinal Aromatic Plants at Lucknow, and another important board for medicinal crop plants situated in Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, in Ayush Yojana. As you know about Ayush, in which include six Indian systems, out of which one of important medicine also included in Ayush. So this Mentha Sim varieties from institute, CIMEP, that is also known as CIMEP Institute. So Sim Kranti, Sim Surya Kosi, and fertilizer management, 150 kg nitrogen, 60 kg phosphorus, and 40 kg potash for two cutting. And if we can grow for one cutting, then use fertilizer as a 80 40 40. And irrigation management, in this is a winter season crop and grow in January February, then after an irrigated crop. So after 10 to 15 days interval, this irrigate crop, and stop 10 to 8 to 10 days before the cutting. Then before the second cutting, I'll go for the irrigation and some fertilizer requirement. Cutting should be done at initiation of flowering or at 50% flowering stage. And after cutting, uh, the product of this mentha is oil. That oil aroma produced from mentha, and just after cutting, use in industry and manufacturing process for extraction of oil. And some root rootlets and root product can be used for next season cultivation. And in economics point of view, around cost of cultivation 40 to 45,000 rupees, and profit around 1,40,000, and the net returns around 1 lakh. So this is about Mentha arvensis. Citronella, Cymbopogon winterinus, and this is the important aromatic crop, and it gives some chemical constitute geraniol and citronenol. So it is also act as an insect repellent, mosquito repellent, and Cymbopogon can grow in March or July, August, and spacing around 50 to 40, 50 by 40 and 60 by 30 centimeter. This seed requirement, it also grow as a root slip, by root slip, and around 40,000 root slips required for 1 hectare. And varieties of this Citronella: Simjiva, Bio 13, Mandakini, Jalpalvi, and fertilizer requirement around 150 60 kg per hectare, and irrigation management as per need. If required, then give the irrigation. And cutting management, first cutting after grow 4 to 5 months, then after subsequent next cutting in 3-month intervals, and it produce around 2,000 to 200 to 250 kg per hectare per year oil. This oil used in household disinfection and disinfectants, and used as a mosquito and housefly repellents, and some aromatic products in cosmetic industry. And in economic point of view, the cost of cultivation around 40 to 50,000, and profit around 1,60,000 to 2 lakh, and net returns around this 1,20,000 to 1,60,000. So citronella is also important aromatic plant, and this can be grown in our state Rajasthan. And origin place of this citronella, Southwest Asia. So Palmaroja grass, Himbopogon meritini, variety Motia. The seed rate around 5 to 6 kg per hectare. Planting time June to July, and spacing around 60 to 30 centimeter. And some important varieties: Piasit 1, Krishna, Tripta, Vaishnavi, or Simep Hush. And fertilizer requirement around 150 NPK kg per hectare. And irrigation management as per need, and if required, then go for irrigation. So 3 to 4 irrigation is required in summer season. And cutting at flowering stage should be cut. Then it produces around 125 to 150 kg oil yield. And cost of cultivation and profit economics same as a citronella grass. This lemon grass, Timbopogon flexus, planting time around June to July, and spacing 45 to 30 centimeter, and root slips required for planting around 35 to 40,000 per hectare. And some important varieties: Krishna, Chirharit, Kaveri, and Sim Swarna. And fertilizer requirement around 150, 60, 60 nitrogen, phosphorus, and potash kg per hectare. And irrigation management, 4 to 5 irrigation is required, and if need, then give the irrigation, then no need, then no irrigation. Oil yield around 200 to 250 kg per hectare per year, and economics same as a citronella grass and Palmaroja grass. Khas vetiveria, gingeroids scientifically name. This khas grass grow for aromatic purpose, and this khas grass material, planting material required for sowing root slip. This around 35 to 40,000 root slips required for 1 hectare area, and 7 to 8 month old root slip used for the planting. And October November is favorable time for winter season crop, and in a summer season crop January to February in hilly areas, and spacing 45 to 30 centimeter. Varieties: KS1, KS2, CMAP Khas 22. Fertilizer management 100, 60, 50 nitrogen, phosphorus, potash kg per hectare, and 7 to 8 irrigation dependent on soil moisture condition. If required, then go for irrigation. This For planting material, old root slips dig for next year cultivation, and root yield root also used for some medicinal and aromatic purpose. So 11 to 13-month old roots dug from the soil per hectare root yield, and 18 to 25 kg per hectare oil yield. And economics in economic term, uh, around cost of cultivation 75,000, and profit around 1,80,000, and net returns around 1,05,000 to 1,00,000. Basically come. This seed rate require around 300 gram July. So it is not a Rabi season crop, it is a Kharif season crop. And spacing around 40 to 30 centimeter, and 40 by 40, 50 by 40 centimeter. And some important variety, Sim Somya, Sim Jyoti, Sim Sada, Sim Surbi. And in fertilizer management, around 80 kg nitrogen, 40 kg phosphorus, and 40 kg potash required. And irrigation management, it is a Kharif season crop, so it is it can be grown in a rainfall area and rain based crop. So if flooding occur, then avoid the flooding by drainage, because it cause the problem in this Osimum plant. Continue flooding cause flopping and wilting. If stress occur in a flooding condition, that is known as flopping. Flopping. And in cutting management, first cutting to take 60 days after planting and at flowering stage, and it produces around 200 quintal per hectare herb and around 100 kg per hectare oil. And the cost of cultivation around 20,000, and net returns around 80,000 per hectare per year. Another important medicinal crop not included in your syllabus, Povostemum cabelin. July in grow can be grown in July August, spacing 50 by 50 centimeter. Samarth is important variety. Fertilizer management around 150 50 50 kg nitrogen, phosphorus, potash per hectare. And in irrigation management, if required, then give the irrigation. And cutting management, first cutting should be done at 4 to 5 months after the planting, and subsequent cutting after 1 month interval. And in yield, it produce around herb to 150 to 200 quintal per hectare, and oil around 60 kg per hectare. And cost of cultivation around 50,000, and profit around 1,50,000, and net returns 1 lakh per hectare per year. Chamomile is important medicinal crop. It is used in tea. Chamomile tea, Metricaria chamomilla. It is important medicinal crop. Planting time is October to November. It is also not included in your syllabus, but important crop. And important varieties, Velari, Prashant, Shimsep, Mohak. And fertilizer management around 80 40 40 nitrogen, phosphorus, potash kg per hectare, and around 10 ton FYM per hectare should be give. In irrigation management, they prevent waterlogged condition, water stagnation condition, and apply irrigation. 2 to 3 irrigation required, and flower harvesting around first harvest 65 to 70 days after planting, then after 15 days interval subsequent harvesting done, and yield give around fresh flower 5000 to 7000 kg per hectare, and oil around 7 to 8 kg per hectare, and cost of cultivation 60,000, and profit 1,25,000, and net returns 65,000 of chamomile cultivation. Geranium, it is also important aromatic medicinal plant. So planting time November to December, and spacing 50 by 50 centimeter, and varieties Sim Pavan, Born, and 150 kg nitrogen, 60 kg phosphorus, and 40 kg potash required for the whole crop production. And irrigation management, 5 to 6 irrigation required according to moisture condition of the soil. We go for irrigation. Cutting management, first cutting should be done at 100 to 150 days after planting, and second cutting should be done at 60 to 90 days after first cutting. And yield around 300 to 350 quintal per hectare as a herb, and oil produce around 25 to 30 kg per hectare, and cost of cultivation around 80,000 per hectare, and profit around 2 lakh, and net return around 1 lakh 20,000. Rosemary, it is also important medicinal crop, and planting time October to February, and spacing around 50 by 50 centimeter, and variety Sim Haryali, and fertilizer management around 150 kg nitrogen, and 60 kg phosphorus, and 40 kg potash, and irrigation required 5 to 6 irrigation, and first cutting same as your chamomile crop, geranium crop, first cutting and second cutting, and economics also same, and herb produce 150 to 200 quintal per hectare, and oil around 100 to 150 kg per hectare per year. Ashwagandha, this is a well-known crop. You have seen also, and use, and we also studies in your school in 12th class, 11th, 12th class, and you also heard about in a weed, ashwagandha as a weed, Withania somnifera. It is important medicinal crop, and it requires seed rate require around 12 to 15 kg per hectare, spacing 25 by 15 centimeter, and some important varieties of ashwagandha: Poshita, Pratap, Chetak, Nimitali 101, Johar ashwagandha, and fertilizer only it is a rain-fed crop. It can be grown widely in our state Rajasthan, and fertilizer 15, 25, 20 kg per hectare, and irrigation very less water requiring crop, and waterlogged condition create, then should be avoided by drainage, and its root also important medicinal product. So 6 to 8 months after planting, and root dig in January to March month. So root yield given as 10 quintal per hectare. and cost of cultivation around 30,000 and profit 96,000 and net returns around 66,000 per hectare. Another important Kal Meg crop, it is a important medicinal crop. It can be grown in Kharif crop, Kharif season, June, July. And irrigated crop, temperate crop, spacing around 40 to 20 centimeter and variety sim mega and fertilizer management 80 40 40 and irrigation require 4 to 5 and cutting should be done 100 days after the planting and dry herb produce around 4 ton per hectare per year and in economics view the cost of cultivation around 25,000 and profit around 1,60,000 and net returns 1,35,000. So it is the photograph of Kal Meg. Another important Sarpagandha. This is an important medicinal crop. Rolfia serpentina. It is also Kharif crop. So it is 60 by 30 centimeter and important variety Sim Seal. And fertilizer requires 80, 60, 50 kg nitrogen, phosphorus, potash per hectare, and irrigation around 5 to 6 irrigation. Roots used as a medicine. So after 18 months, around 2-year-old plants roots dig out for the medicine purpose, and it gives around 18 to 20 quintal per hectare per year root yield. And in economic point of view, cost of cultivation around 80,000 and profit 2,70,000 and net returns around 1,90,000. It can be produced in nursery, Sarpagandha. Another important medicinal aromatic crop, cosmetic crop, aloe vera, guarpatha. So aloe vera, it is also a kharif crop. It can be grown from March to August, and spacing require 50 by 40 centimeter. And important variety Sim Sital. Around 25 kg nitrogen, 50 kg phosphorus, and 50 kg potash per hectare. And irrigation as per need. It is a rain-fed and drought-resistant crop. It can be widely grown in our Rajasthan. Leaves cutting. Its leaves used for medicine. And first cutting should be done 6 to 8 months. Then after subsequent cutting should be done 45 days interval. And it produces around 50 to 60 ton per hectare leaves yield. And the cost of cultivation around 1,30,000 and profit 2,50,000 and net returns around 1,20,000. So aloe vera cultivation. It also can be produced in nursery. In polybags. Another important Satavar. This important Kharif medicinal crop, Asparagus racemosus. Planting time June July and spacing around 60 by 60 centimeter and 60 centimeter. And varieties, important variety Sim Sunhari. And fertilizer required around 80 kg nitrogen, 60 kg phosphorus, and 100 kg potash. All the root crops require more potash for the root development. And irrigation management, irrigation require 20 to 25 days interval, and the roots dig out 18 to 30 months after planting, and root yield produce around 6 ton per hectare per year, and cost of cultivation 2,05,000 and 50,000, and net returns produce 4 lakh. Another important medicinal Artemisia crop, and seed rate required 20 gram per hectare, and planting time December, and spacing 50 by 30 centimeter. Varieties Arogya, Jeevan Raksha, Sanjeevani, and fertilizer requires 70 40 kg nitrogen, phosphorus, potash per hectare, and irrigation require 5 to 7 irrigations, and cutting should be done at 100 to 110 days after planting at end of May up to first week of June. It produces dry leaves 25 quintal per hectare, and economics 30 to 35,000 per hectare, and profit 75,000, and net returns around 40 to 45,000. Stevia, it is an important medicinal crop, and all you know about it used for diabetic patients, and planting time October to November, and can be grown in March, April in hilly regions, and spacing around 30 by 30 centimeter, and important variety Simep Mithi, Simep Madhu, and fertilizer required around 150 60 kg per hectare, and irrigation require 5 to 6 irrigations, and cutting should be done 2 months after planting, and it produces around 12 to 15 quintal per hectare dry leaves, and cost of cultivation around 70,000, and profit 1,20,000, and net profit around 50,000. So it is the important, these all are important medicinal and aromatic crops. So emerging market of these important medicinal aromatic MAP crops, multinational companies, pharmaceuticals companies, cosmetic product companies, and domestic manufacture of herbal products, herbal medicines. So there is so many scope for these medicinal and aromatic plants. And in global market, aloe vera billions of dollars produce billions of dollar money of global market of aloe vera, and India is a hub for these medicinal crops. At national level, up to 40% of forest export revenue from MAP and non-timber forest products, mostly in unprocessed and raw forms. And these medicinal aromatic crops are backbone for our country. In Nepal, estimated that every year 20,000 ton of MAP worth around 18 to 20 millions dollar traded, exported, and 90% of collection is exported, mainly from India in raw form. Because hilly regions in northern India and the Himalaya is a major medicinal and aromatic plant growing areas. So Nepal also touch in the New Himalaya area. So as you know, demand of a medicinal plant increase day by day. Annually 15 to 60%, 16% annually increases. Presently also all all want organic and Ayurvedic treatment for any any disease and any stress management. So if properly organized and cultivation of all these medicine and map-based industry create employment also for the jobless peoples for earn more money, cash money, and global market opportunity also tremendous for these natural product and medicinal product of these medicinal and aromatic plants. So 5 strategies for the global herbal remedies market can be classified. Phytopharmaceuticals, medicinal botanicals, and nutraceuticals, and cosmeceuticals, and herbal raw material. So these natural botanicals, herbal raw material, cosmetic product, and drugs can be produced by these medicinal and aromatic plants. Export also important for earning money. So around 75 to 80% of drugs contribute from India, and India is major exporter for the drugs. In out of 6 developed countries, USA, Germany, France, Switzerland, and UK, Japan, and principal herbal drugs that have been finding good market in foreign countries, these aconite, aloe, Amin Manjus, Belladonna, Bach, Cinchona, Acacia Thora, Ephedera, Argot, these Isabgol, Opium, Pepin, Wolfia, all these medicinal crops, as you studies in this class. So maximum demand of all these medicinal and aromatic plants and their byproducts for the herbal drugs. Chinese also export herbal medicine around $10 billion in a year, and India export hardly 700 crore. So there is a more scope, large scope in medicinal and aromatic plants. Because if herbal product export, herbal medicine only export 700 crore, 700 crore. So only 40% is value addition and 60% is export of raw medicinal. If we go for value addition, then can be get fetch more earning more money. as compared to export raw material. Contact farming also produce more income and more these medicinal and aromatic plant yield by produce link between a producer or a grower. So Isabgol plant get patent from the India. Out of 848 patents, only 4 patent of India. One of the Isabgol only important crop of Rajasthan and Gujarat. So India share around this market less than 1% of revolving of fact. There is large scope for the exploit the opportunity of this medicinal and aromatic plants. There is import some raw materials are imported, not indigenous, from neighboring countries. So Himalaya medicines can be grow in our Himalaya regions and link between the industry and farmers grower can be produce more medicinal, more awareness about medicinal and aromatic plants among the farmers, can be increase productivity, yield, and export of this. So if we see import of medicinal crop, so in 90% requirement of Google, that is important medicinal crop can be grown in our Rajasthan. So 90% Google is imported from Pakistan. If we can grow, then it is can be export, and other clove, nutmeg, mace, ginger, and kappu kachri are also other raw material that also imported from other countries. So there is so many challenges for the production of these medicinal and aromatic plants. Collectors, processors, traders face the problems for finding favorable marketing and price factor, because there is no MSP for these medicinal and aromatic minimum support price for the medicinal and aromatic plants. So these are face problem for price, quality, quantity of medicinal and aromatic plants, and price fluctuate in local market, and because market facility is very poor, storage facility is very poor. So these are constraints and challenges for us to increase productivity of these medicinal and aromatic plants. So following major challenges in among the farmers and growers: knowledge also poor. That's why it cannot be agro techniques also properly not compiled. So there is so many problems in production of medicinal and aromatic plants, and no market information, lack of standardization of quality standards, medicines, medicinal products, and there is no stringent phytosanitary regulations such as requirement of microbiological test, pesticidal test, heavy metal test by international markets, because our raw material is produced, but there is no standard and no regulations for the test of these. So our product raw material is baked for the poor quality of because fail in such a test in international market, microbiological test, pesticide test. If there is some residue of these heavy metals and microbes and pesticides, insecticides, any of these, and uneven distribution of benefits, there is it is a major problem of our India, uneven distribution of benefits. So marketing strategy is important for a supplier and buyer. So it is a big issue. So gap between these producer and buyers, traders should be minimized, and linkage between business and growers, farmers, businessmen, producer should be developed. So there is reduce the problem and make plan holistic way for the production of these medicinal and aromatic plants in holistic way, from the sowing to harvesting and marketing, up to marketing, in such a way planning done for the production of these crops, and cultivation strategies also developed for farmers and available according to zone, region, area, and also give facility to farmers for preservation, storage of these medicinal and aromatic plants. So I conclude this topic. Medicinal plant constituent a vast, undocumented and over exploited economic resource, and they are the principal health care resources for majority of peoples. And demand for medicinal plant in increasing in both developing and developed countries, and the bulk of the material trade is still from wild harvested sources on the forest land, and only a very small number of species are cultivated. So should we include all species in cultivation, in not you not collect from wild species, and for export as a wild material. The expanding of trade in medicinal plant are serious implication on survival of several plant species, with many under serious threats to become extinct. And the India share is less than 1% in the around $62 billion market, which is growing 7 to 12% per annum. And all our efforts should be made to adopt a package of best practices encompassing conservation, cultivation, quality control, standardization, and research and development for medicinal and herbal aromatic, for improving its marketing performance efficiently. And cultivation must be done on the business platform by the chain of small farmers or groups, and to achieve economic of scale, it may be concentrated in selected pockets, selected areas, in an intensive manner as a cluster of activities, group of activities, and micro enterprises. So these are all about the medicinal and aromatic plants. Next important, your left crop isabgol and opium poppy. It will be in next class. Thank you. Thank you so much.
मैम थैंक यू मैम।
आज वो अभी वेबिनार है कि यूनिवर्सिटी का, तो उसमें सभी ज्वाइन कर लो, अपने मैं ग्रुप में शेयर करती हूँ। ठीक है, थैंक यू।